Hello everybody, welcome to this SMB growth seminar. We are going to touch upon a case study which is very important. In the previous module we saw how to identify new geographies and enter into new markets. Now let us see a case study what we did to an organization to take this journey of entering into new geographies or territories and into new markets. This was the situation. One of our client who is a market leader in the valve manufacturing had the following business situation. So what was the situation? Of course, business was growing reasonably well, but the most important thing is most of the business was coming from one region, and close to 75% of the business from one region, maybe approximately about 25% of the business came from all other regions put together. And the range of products also remained same for quite many years. A single range of products were being manufactured. But don't you think this is a normal or similar situation existing in many SMEs? I mean, it's quite normal. Now, I would like to ask you a question. Yes, more or less business coming from single territory, single zone, and also the business is coming from maybe one or two types of products. Is it a good situation to be in for any organization? I request you to just think over and just type out and shoot it to me. What are the dangers of having business from maybe single region, or having single customer, or having maybe a single product? What do you think could be the dangers? Of course, we'll touch upon this in the case study, but what do you think? Can you write your answers and send it across? I'll wait for your answers to come. Yes, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Let us see one by one. I think most of you would have covered all these points. Maybe something is missing. Let us see. 1. Obviously, never put all the eggs in one basket. If something happens to that one area, or something happens to that one customer, or something happens to that one product, then your organization is in trouble, right? You lose everything. 2nd, yes, everything okay, but again coming back, puzzle event anywhere, any political event, any economical event, any technological changes that is taking place anywhere in the world, it can affect your product or your customer, your segment. So then again you are going to be in the danger. And many people miss out. You have only one customer or two customers, but if that customer delays payment for whatever genuine reason, again as an SME you will be in trouble. And when you are the only, say, one person or only one customer is there for you, and he knows that you are the only person who is supplying to him, and you have dependency on him, possibly the customer may use his bargaining power on you to ask for a lesser price, and you will be in the receiving end. And yes, people may ask, so should I not be a preferred partner as the only one partner for a OEM? Please be so, but be aware of the dangers and keep on the lookout for other customers or other products all the time, is what I am meaning to do. Now, I just listed down what are the challenges of having a single or a single series of products in your organization. Remember, based on your product, remember our PLC product life cycle. We had a discussion in the previous module. Based on where is your product in the PLC, at any point of time, it may go into declining mode. So be careful. So you have to be ready with the next product. And since you are supplying or only one series of products you are manufacturing, maybe one of your key vendor or your partner may fail to supply you for whatever genuine reason. Then again you will be in trouble because you have got only one type or one series of product. And it is very difficult to handle competition, especially the competition having similar product comes with a better quality of product, or he has got a USP which is not with you, or is coming with a better lead time, better price, whatever the reason. So if he comes with a one more USP, then you will lose all the business. Your competition will take over everything. Again, you will be left with nothing because you have only single or a single series of products. So these could be some challenges, and many times most of the SMEs end up in the deeper end of the pool. That means they are suddenly in danger because it is very deep. There is nothing they can do. You see carefully, even brands like HUL, Hindustan Unilever, they have several brands. They have several products only to cover all the segments and all the customer, and a variety of products. Even if there is one segment or one type of product doesn't do well, as an organization they don't suffer. So this is an example. So what we did to our client, what are the action initiated? We did two major actions. Number one, the marketing and sales team were given specific region-wise targets, right? Only one region are getting business, fine. Then who is responsible for other businesses? How to go and develop more and more, say, customers in those areas. Remember all our presentation earlier in other modules, use all these techniques and look for more customers. And then focused training was given on identifying business possibilities, right? How to look at business possibilities, that is very important. Maybe going and searching, maybe going and attending meetings in those regions, maybe going and attending exhibition in those areas so that you are coming in contact with new set of customers in the new regions. Importantly, use the digital medium. It is 21st century, you have to use digital medium. It could be LinkedIn, or it could be social media, or it could be using your own website, beautiful website properly, so that you are reachable to your customers. See, what normally people miss out is social media may not give you direct business, but it can enhance your branding. It can enhance your reputation. So this digital medium can create the foundation or the spark for the sales to take place even from far off regions. So not just the own teams, but we also developed some channel partners to ensure the new geographies are broken into. So care was taken to do proper market research. This is very, very important. Without doing market research, do not enter into new market or territory because you don't know what is there. So properly conduct the market research, whether internally or externally, and based on this analysis, you can enter into new market. This is on the people and on the region. But what about products? Yes, as far as the new products, we collected market intelligence on the evolution of new product lines and the competitors, what they are doing, what is their USP, the same facility, people, infrastructure we use to expand the product range so that the cost of the new product doesn't go up, and we improve the efficiency of the shop floor also. And importantly, some of the new products require the safety approval, so we initiated the process for the safety approval to be obtained so that the new products can be launched. So we address on one side the sales and marketing with regards to developing new territories, and also we address the product where there was only single series of products were there. We made sure that new products come into our basket. But yes, a lot of engineering skills were required. It is not easy. Not everybody can immediately launch a new product. Yes, we have to build the engineering skills and we have to handle them what was done because it's the need of the hour. Now, after doing all this, what were the result? Yes, we always say when our mindset expands, our business also expands, right? When you think that something is possible and we take concrete actions, obviously the results have to come. So what were the results in this company? First thing, immediately within about 18 months, the turnover increased by close to 30%. Within 18 months, what was stagnant and very slowly 5%, 8% range improvement, within 18 months, it started going to 30% improvement. We never made any new investments except for a few, one or two test equipment for the new products. Otherwise, not a major investments were done in infrastructure. With the same infrastructure, we produced. Third, new territories where almost 0% turnover was there. Now it started going to almost 20%. Yes, not very high, but immediately started showing the result, of course. Then channel partners, there was nothing from them. Now 5% of the business approximately started coming from them. If you see, turnover is increasing, new territory we have covered, new channel partners started contributing, and once approvals are through, the new products will contribute at least 15% and the turnover should increase by at least by another 20%. See, if you see, all the parameters are increasing. Of course, the profit margin also increase, and this is where I say what are the key takeaways. I will list a few. Number one, business cannot run based on single territory, single customer or single product. It is dangerous putting all eggs in a single basket. Two, always you must do competitor analysis. If you have to really grow into a new territory, you must know what the competition is doing, what is their USP. You can never forget to do that. Otherwise, you cannot expand to any new territory. Always keep reviewing skill levels of marketing and sales team. At least marketing and sales team, make sure that they are capable of attracting customers from the new territory. Are they skilled enough to do it? Keep evaluating their skill level. Remember, collaboration, cooperation, teamwork is critical with the channel partner to enter into new territory and the new market. One single action may not result in complete say a result or a success of expanding to new territory. You may have to do all these things. You may have to expand your product range. You have to make sure that your marketing and sales team is enhanced, skill levels are enhanced. Maybe you have to incorporate your channel partner and keep looking out what is happening. So a combination of these actions should be required to make sure that you go into a new territory and successfully conquer the same. So I acknowledge the picture used from the following sources. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. For any implementation support and handholding, please do call me. My number is given, my website details are there, and my email ID is there. Looking forward to listening from you. Thank you so much.